Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing another stretching video. Currently my ears are stretched to a 5 gauge. I did decide to purchase in between sizes for the rest of my journey up until my goal size because my 8 to a 6 was probably the biggest pain in the ass ever, and I just don't want to I don't want to experience that ever again. Today we are possibly, maybe, fingers crossed, going to be stretching up to a 4 gauge today. So the in-between sizes that I have are from Body Art Forms. They are just the glass plugs. And then the other sizes that I have are just from my Urban Body Jewelry stretching kit with the taper and the tunnels. So that is what we are going to be attempting today. And it's been about a 3-ish weeks since I've had the 5s in, so we're gonna attempt to put the 4 in. Not really sure how it's gonna go. This could end up as a complete fail, or this could be a success, which I'm hoping that it's a success. So the reason why I'm kind of anxious to stretch up is because if you guys see this one, how it has like the little O-ring on it, well, I lost the O-ring to this one. It like fell off and I can't find it. And I'm so worried that this is gonna fall out that I want to stretch up like as soon as possible. And I also have to change this earring because as you can see, I lost a ball. I'm just losing everything. Like, I think we're gonna start with my right ear today because that one seems to be the easiest one when it comes to stretching. So as you can see, we have a pretty nice, decent little hole there. And I'm gonna leave that in for a second and I'm gonna open up the 4 gauge pack here. Getting pretty large, guys, getting pretty large and in charge. Of course, we have 2 of the little single flared tunnels, if it'll focus. There we go. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out the little glass plug right here, and I'm going to wipe down my ear with a little alcohol wipe to make sure there's no like makeup or gunk or whatever the fuck. Alright, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a glove on right here just for extra sanitization. And I'm just going to take some water-based lube on my finger and we are going to lube up the front and the back of the ear as per usual. Alright, and now that we have that lubed up, let's go ahead. Oh my gosh, that went right in. Holy shit, I probably honestly could have just dead stretched. And then I'm going to match up. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Oh yes, I much prefer the look of these ones so much more than the glass ones. Oh my god, you guys, we're at a 4! Yeah, that didn't hurt at all. Like, I didn't even feel that. That was amazing. Like, with every other stretch, like, yeah, there's been a little bit of, like, stingy, but that one, pfft, no, not at all. Oh my gosh, we are getting closer and closer to that 0 gauge, that 10 millimeter. We're coming for ya. But we're only 50% done. We still have this ear left to go. And this ear is definitely my more challenging one. At least it's weird because it used to be the loose one. Now I wipe my ear down, make sure it's nice and clean. Take out the glass plug first. Look at that little decent sized hole. Look at that little baby right there. Make sure everything is all nice and clean. Right, and again, we're putting on a clean glove for this ear, and I'm gonna take some lube, do the front and back really good. This guy. Easy as fuck. I never thought that this, out of all of them, would be the easiest stretch. I'm sure that definitely, like 100%, having the little glass plugs in, that 100% helps. So if you're someone who is out there and you're stretching your ears and you are having trouble like sizing up, I would highly recommend using the little in-between sizes. I got these off of Body Art Forms. Wow, oh my god, that was easy as fuck. Right, and now for the most annoying part is putting the O-ring on. And boom, there we go, guys. The O-rings are on, everything is good, there is no pain, there is no stingy. The only thing that's annoying right now is how lubey and like gross they feel, but that is no big deal because I will just wash them when I get in the shower. But look at that, we're getting somewhere. Something that I can say is a lot of people say that, you know, you never really truly have a goal size because once you get to your goal, you want to go like a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger. And now that I'm getting into like the bigger sizes, I can definitely see how that's true. So for right now, my goal is a 0, but we might go to a 00. Haven't really fully decided yet, but as of right now, I'm just gonna stay 0 when I get there and see what happens. And then while I have you guys on camera, I'm just going to quickly change this guy out because I lost the ball and I have no idea where it went.
I'm just gonna take this little guy out. There we go.
Alright guys, and that is everything that I have for this 4-gauge stretching video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel. Love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!